Hi there, my name's Autumn Jones, and I'm here today from the Passport Health Office just to talk to you about safely traveling abroad. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Do you enjoy traveling? Can I just have a show of hands of everyone who enjoys traveling? Great, I do too. There's quite a few different scenarios as to why you will need to travel abroad. It could be because you just retired and you plan on traveling the world. It could be because you're a student and you'd like to study abroad. Or maybe you're not a native of the United States and you want to go back home to see your family. Whatever the reason is, you may need vaccinations and medications. And I'm here to give you some tips that you can find online or an office that can help provide that information for you. So let's move along. The Center for Disease Control, also known as the CDC, is a great resource. As you can see, I've already inputted Argentina up in the right-hand corner, the search option, and I'm going to go ahead and search. You should come to a page where the health information for travelers will come up for you. I had to scroll down quite a ways on this page, but typically it's one of the first few options to click on. So go ahead and click that. Okay, so then you'll come to a page where you find general information. Over here on the left-hand corner, you can see health information for travelers going to whatever country. Over on the right-hand side, you'll see vaccinations and medications. You can continue to scroll down, and you'll see more information about what some travelers will need, and it really depends on where you're going to be and what you're going to be doing. You can continue to scroll down. Here are some safety tips for you just to keep yourself safe while you're traveling abroad. Some of you may feel like, oh my gosh, information overload. That's fine, because there's an office called the Passport Health Office. We have one location in Rochester and one in Syracuse, and we can help tailor that general list down to your trip. And I'll just give you a brief explanation of our service. Our visits typically last 45 minutes to an hour. Through the visit, the clinician will review your vaccine history, your health, and find out more in detail where you're going to be and where you're traveling to. Based on that information, they can then recommend the appropriate vaccinations for you and provide everything at that time. We do not participate with health insurance, so you do pay at the time of service, but you may submit it to your insurance on your own if you'd like to do so. Here are some questions that we tend to get. Are any of these required? It really depends on the country. Some vaccinations, such as yellow fever, meningitis, or polio, are required for some countries. A lot of our patients want to know if they can receive this service through their primary care physician, and it really just depends on your physician. Travel medicine is forever changing, and some physicians don't feel comfortable giving recommendations. So why don't our office participate with insurances? Here's the truth. Many insurances consider travel vaccinations a luxury. Because the vaccinations and medications are not needed in the U.S., they may not pay for them. And a lot of patients want to know why we can't simply just provide information over the phone. Legally, we're unable to provide recommendations without examining your vaccines and health first. For example, if you have a suppressed immune system and we tell you over the phone without knowing anything about you to go and get a live vaccine, we are putting you at risk. If you'd like to make an appointment in our office, feel free to do so. You can give us a call at 585-000-000, or you can visit our website at www.passporthealth.usa.com. Thank you and have a good night.